Okay, so I can't stop laughing at this email. This is like the best sponsorship offer I've ever received. The subject line is about cooperate with our new product. Very, very descriptive there. It says, "Dear friend, sorry to interrupt you suddenly." They begin with apologizing. Like, you guys don't need to start an email like saying you're sorry. That doesn't really set off a good vibe for the rest of this. The purpose of writing this email is to talk to you about cooperation. We found your email address on the YouTube social platform. Yeah, and we know that you have a large number of fans on YouTube, a large number of fans. If you can cooperate with us, our products will be sold well, and our products will be exposed to a lot more. Yeah, that's kind of the whole deal with sponsorships there. Our company, our company, I can't say this without laughing. Our company has recently released several new ice trays. Ice trays. It's just like, come on, dude. Seriously? If you are interested and willing to cooperate with us, we can send you our ice trays for free. I'd be hoping you can send them for free. I hope you can help us make our ice trays in the video you made. Promotion if possible. I hope you can place an order on Amazon. So see, they say that they can send it to me for free. And then they say, you need to place an order on Amazon. After the order is received, we will send the money to your PayPal account. So then you can't send it to me for free. You have to, I have to order it. If you are not satisfied with the free payment of our products, you can contact me and we can discuss the price. Don't really know what that means. And then they send images of these ice trays. Like, come on. It's an ice tray. What is so special about this? They're acting like, why do you need me to promote an ice tray on a tech channel? Then you got these here, which these look like these are like ice balls here. So that's, I mean, like it's a freaking ice tray. Like they send all these, if you have any money, this doesn't make any sense. If you have any money you want to evaluate, please contact me. We can cooperate with each other. Looking forward to your reply. What do you mean if I have, are you talking about, this is probably just a bad translation. If you have a price, to do the sponsorship, what I would charge for them. But, I mean, what do they want me to do, a review of their ice tray? Or do they want this to be a sponsor spot in a video? How on earth would that work? How am I going to sell you an ice tray? Who is going to buy an ice tray from these specific people? An ice tray is not something that you're like, oh man, I only buy this brand of ice tray. No, if you need an ice tray, you go to Walmart or Target or wherever, and you just buy the one that's there. No one's like a fanboy over the brand of ice trays. I just can't believe this. These people contact me and they're like, yeah, we got this new product that's an ice tray. Like, oh my god, guys, you know what you can do with an ice tray? You can put water in it and put it in the freezer and it makes ice, and it's this amazing thing. That's all I'm gonna be able to say. Okay, that's all I've got, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.